This is the second part of our group project here, and I just want to make a few observations about what I saw in Khan Academy and in a course on Free to Learn, which is a MOOC, to talk about what kind of multiple intelligences I observed being present there. This first one is a video. This is a section from the Metropolitan Museum of Art. I think this would be really good for architects, industrial designers. This has more to do with spatial intelligence, not so much with linguistic or any of the others, but I think for them it's a very good support. This second one I find very interesting because we have the image, and we also have the audio, and then we have the closed captioning on the bottom. So I think there's a lot of support for us to understand how manuscripts were made if we are from that area, if we are looking from a historical perspective. So I think there's a lot of linguistic intelligence going on here, and also maybe also this visual spatial part as well. This third one I found because I was looking for something on language. I couldn't find anything on how to learn some foreign language. This is very theory oriented. Again, it's more oriented toward linguistic intelligence, but there is a lot of visual support because they're explaining and they're drawing at the same time what the theory is. Now I'm going to talk just briefly about this Future Learn MOOC. This incorporates a lot of different elements that I think could be qualified under the multiple intelligences. This is a video. This topic happens to be about the environment, and so there are a lot of sort of environmental stimuli, especially visual stimuli, and they're talking about what's going on there. This is part of a unit, and then what they do is based on the video input, some text input, they ask people to participate with other learners. So we have this linguistic element because we're reading. We have the visual element from the video. And we also have, I think, this interpersonal intelligence and interpersonal intelligence because they're asking us to reflect about what we think and then share it with others. And so here are just some examples of what some people have from different countries have written about this. Then we have this other, perhaps something that's a little bit more perhaps logical, but it could also be perceived as just something reading, or it could be perhaps interpersonal because I have to think about the question and how I do it. And then we have finally this linguistic element because they're quizzing us about what is the linguistic element that I have to look at here. So I would say that between these two sites or these resources, I think both of them have their purpose. I definitely, for language learning, I preferred the second site because it integrates a lot more interaction with others, but I think both of them serve their purpose.